Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G45 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, just tap on it and go to the contacts. And here let's find the contact which you'd like to customize. So just tap on it. Then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and now tap on add picture. So here we've got different categories from which you can choose the photo from. So in the device photos, you can either open your gallery and choose your own photo and set it as a contact picture. You can also immediately open the camera app, so you can take a photo of someone who's standing right in front of you. In Google Photos, you've got basically your own photos which are backed up and illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo of this person, you can try to find something which resembles you about him or her, or basically this person. So let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on the photo. Here you've got the presets, so you can change the colors. And basically it doesn't matter if you will choose the illustration or you will choose your own photo or take a photo, you will be able to crop it. So right here you will be able to zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it. You can also change the size of this highlighted square. Basically this highlighted square is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. And as you can see here, we've got our photo applied, so tap on save in the right upper corner and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.